Welcome back to Levi's Restoration Project with the famous OBS. Well, we got some progress. I'm sure you watched all the videos up to this point on the rust protection, rust removal, and all the above. We got the frame all done. We got the fuel tanks changed out, front one that is, restored the rear one, cleaned all the rust and everything and coated it. But we forgot one thing, and that was underneath the bed of the pickup truck. We're going to crawl under here and we're going to show you how we're going to restore underneath bed of this OBS. Well, you probably already saw the video of us taking this off, and if you haven't, you can click on the link right up here in the corner. That way we don't have to go through that. One thing we want to do before we crawl under this, because we're going to be crawling under here, is there's two section straps. We want to put an extra one just in case these fail. We don't want it to land on us and we have a bigger problem. Well, here's some tools we need. The most important is the filter, and then we got the undercoating, pro grade, thinking maybe 2 cans, but we'll know here once we're done how many cans we need. And then of course, safety glasses. Right, Levy? Safety glasses. First thing we need to do is shake this stuff up, make sure that ball in there is loose, and get this rubberized coating ready. I smell it. Do you smell it?
No.
No? You're doing a fine job, Levi, getting it up over those ridges, getting them in there. Well, we have some rust under here, a little bit. This is rust right here is where it mounted to the frame. And I think it's because down between the cab and the bed, it got rust in there. So I'm going to use this angle grinder and grind this. You ready, Levi? Also, these heat, I think this is heat deflectors from the exhaust. So we'll go ahead and run the grinder over that and clean some of that rust off. Now you got this heat shield here from the exhaust. You can kind of see it's rusty, but we run a grinder over it. I thought about just replace these, you know. Well, you can't find them. I guess the vehicle sold. So I went ahead and run that grinder over it and knocked off all the heavy rust and stuff. And Levi's going to use some rust reformer. The same stuff here. Let me see this can. Yep, the rust reformer from Rust Oil, and he's going to go ahead and coat that, seal that off. And he has his, I'm standing back, so I don't have to worry about the fumes. So he's going to go ahead and spray a nice coat of that on there. What's that, Levi?
The wind's blowing it around.
Well, you can be a little bit closer. There you go. And put a nice heavy coat of that on. Not too much that it runs. Of course, how's it going to run? It's upside down, right? And then go ahead. Yep, this is that mating surface for the bed that's hooking onto the frame. It's sandwiched between the frame and the bed, so that builds up rust in there too. So he's going to put a coat on there. Well, Levi got a coat of that reformer put on there. And now we'll continue with this stuff, and we'll kind of spray in the grooves up here. Now there was a little bit of rust along this cross member. He put some reformer on that. And then we'll just go ahead and finish. Now you have to keep the can as vertical as you can. Yep, looks pretty good there, Levi. Man, you're a professional. Get along the edge of the cross members. Well, it looks like Levi used 3 cans. Now these are, did I show you that? 15-ounce cans. He did a great job under here. Putting a nice coat of that rubberized coating, pro grade stuff. I'm sure the others is okay too, but it's cheaper. But that should help preserve the underneath of this bed for many more years, even though it's been 32 already. We can get another 32 years out of this. What do you think? So anyhow, continue watching. If this is interesting to you of all these projects we're doing with Levi's truck. And we are going to move on to the next thing. I'm not sure what that is. We got to do the front wheel bearings. We got to change the transmission fluid, the coolant, the brake fluid, and spark plugs, the coils, everything. So give this video a thumbs up on your way out and just wait. There'll be another one coming soon. Have a good day.